Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Tioko with Vagabond Culture, and today I will be showing you how to clean water shoes. I have a couple great friends that took a trip to Jamaica and had a good old time. I didn't get the invitation, but that's neither here nor there. They decided to wear their water shoes the whole time they were there. The whole time, for like a week straight. So by the time they got home, not only did they want to remove their shoes, I'm sure they wanted to remove both feet too. So like most of us, because the shoes smelled so bad, they threw them in a bag, threw them in a corner, and haven't looked at them since. Let's get down to it. Everything here is what you'll need, which all can be found at Dollar Tree. Washcloths, Dial soap, Efferdent, and Hefty storage bags. I prefer the Snuggle dryer sheets, which can be found at Walmart, but you can also find dryer sheets at the Dollar Tree as well. Sorry you guys, I forgot to mention that you'll need either a bucket or a trash can. Fill that halfway with warm water and get as much sand out of the shoe as you can. That way it'll be easier for you to thoroughly clean the shoe and to sanitize the shoes. I'm sure you guys can see that at the time of making this video, I'm in a hotel room. I was actually visiting my friends when they came back from Jamaica and decided to show them how to clean their water shoes. So, I did forget to get either a sponge or scrubbing brush to clean the inserts of the water shoes, so I just used the soap, but I will suggest getting either of those from the Dollar Tree for $1. It'll be a lot easier for you. Next, you want to place each shoe and insert into the storage bags. Fill halfway with warm water, add 4 Efferdent tabs, making sure that they completely dissolve, and remove all air from the bag. To repeat each step 3 to 4 times, rinsing after each time, just to be sure that the shoes are completely sanitized and deodorized. When you have completed this process, be sure to rinse the shoes thoroughly, leaving no trace of the Efferdent or Antibacterial Soap. So there you have it. Your shoes are completely sanitized, disinfected, and refreshed. The last thing to do is add a couple dryer sheets along with your hand towels in each shoe to soak up all moisture, and place the shoes in a cool area to completely dry. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know if this video was helpful, and in the comment section below, let me know if you usually keep your old shoes and sanitize them or toss them out.